And as I say,
so as we're talking, I will just say, and we're not going to show this live because we don't show this live, but I do see interceptors going up from where I can say we just saw one go up there. We're not showing you that because we're not going to show, the Israeli government does not allow us or want us to show where that may have come up, that interceptor. But I've not seen it intercept anything. Okay, now we hear the sirens. So here's what we're going to do, everyone. Sirens, and you saw that interceptor. It didn't intercept anything, but we have things coming in, so we are going to just unmic. Dan, why don't you take your mic off?
And then go downstairs?
Yep, I'm going to show you exactly where we go. All right?
That's pretty dramatic.
We do need to move pretty quickly,
Yeah.
but...
We can move quickly? Yeah.
Now we're inside, and I don't know if everyone can still hear those sirens. We'll hear the booms when they start hitting, which sometimes are as the sirens are going, and sometimes are a little bit after. So now we're inside, and we're just going to go into a stairwell here. This is what it is, and I think it's important for everyone to understand. This is what has become the cadence, sorry, Dan, of normal life. And here we are now in the stairwell. So this is where we're going to go, obviously concrete fortified. You just don't know when it's coming.